Hello everyone, we are Team Nanox. Our project is focused on improving onion storage technology to extend their shelf life. Onions are the major crop in India. There are two seasons for harvesting the onions. One is Rabi season and Kharif season. In Rabi season, harvesting at April to May. This is the biggest crop, about 50 to 70 percentage of total onion production. It stores better than Kharif onions. In Kharif season, harvesting at October to December. These onions have poor keeping quality, so they spoil faster. So onions harvested in Rabi seasons are usually stored for long-term use. But even with the current methods, they lost up to 46% within 4 to 5 months. The main reason is sprouting, rotting, and dehydration. There are many methods to store the onions, like in traditional or ventilated storage method, we cannot preserve the onions for long duration. In cold storage, it is costly and expensive. In chemical inhibitors, it may leave some chemical residues on the onions. In natural coating, it provides the protection but does not extend the storage life. So overall, onion losses remains high with all these existing methods. This leads to the wastage of onions and economic loss. This is also forces farmers to sell the onions immediately at a low cost and reducing their income also. This is the strong need for a new storage solution that ensures minimum losses and extend the shelf life. Our proposed system is designed to extend the shelf life of onions up to 9 months using an integrated storage technology. Let's see how it works. The onions are harvested and collected by the sack. This sack is coated with the zinc oxide and chitosan material to protect the onion from microbes and fungus. The zinc oxide is coated in the outer layer of the sac, while the chitosan material is coated in the inner layer of the sac. These sacks were collected to the warehouse. This warehouse is full of EPS insulation panels to reduce the external temperature effects. Inside the warehouse, we place the paraffin wax. This paraffin wax absorbs the night cool air through the fans and release in the daytime to maintain the stable temperature of 28 degrees Celsius to obtain the 65% of humidity. Additionally, we are using a UVC lamp at a 254 nanometer for microbial control, which enters through the workers during the loading or unloading the sack. The UVC lamp will affect the onions and also workers, so that we automatically turn off the UVC lamp when the workers are enters. And the sensors like SIH25053 and ADHTT2 for real-time monitoring the temperature and humidity through the mobile phones. This combination gives the farmers cost-effective alternative to cold storage. It reduces the post-harvest losses. Let's see the technical approach. We are using a hardware components like zinc oxide and chitosan coating to protect the onions from microbes. Inside the warehouse, we place the paraffin wax for maintaining the stable temperature. This then warehouses full of EPS insulation panels to reduce the external temperature. And UVC lamp at 254 nanometer sterilize the onion to protect from microbes. Then sensors like SHT31 and ADHDT2 for real-time monitoring. In software components are C++ for programming in Arduino. For data transfer, we are using a Blink, and then for real-time monitoring, we using an Android app. Let's see the feasibility and viability. Our solution is both practical and sustainable. From the technical side, We are using a safe and proven materials like zinc oxide and chitosan coating, along with paraffin wax, PCM and EPS in insulation panel, which are already available in market. UVC lamp and IoT sensor are also tested and reliable. Together, they make the system easy to build and implement to both small and large scales. From the economic side, the cost of setting up our system is moderate compared to cold storage, but the benefits are much higher. Farmers can recover their investment within just 1 or 2 seasons because the wastage is reduced drastically, and they can sell onions at better price. From the social side, our system is farmer friendly since it still uses sacks, which farmers are already comfortable with. They can easily adopt this method. The mobile app also gives them confidence by allowing them to track storage conditions in real time. Of course, we can see some challenges like need for good installations for PCM, UVC lamp safety, formal hesitation to try new technology, and scaling to bigger warehouse. But we have already thought about solutions. Using a proper insulation, adding automatic shut-off sensor for UVC safety, conducting training and demo session for farmers, and then starting with the pilot project before scaling up. Benefits and impact. Our solutions has a strong impact on farmers, consumers and the overall market. Farmers can store onions longer and sell them when prices are rise, which improves their income and reduce stress. Consumer benefits because onion prices stay more stable and onions are available year around. Economically, the system reduces the wastage and is cheaper than cold storage. In socially, it improves the farmers' livelihoods and builds confidence. Environmentally, it saves energy and prevents food waste, making it eco-friendly and sustainable. These are the research papers why we are using a zinc oxide, paraffin wax and UVC lamp. Thank you.